Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, dual sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2017 Maxima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.